Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Virgos, we are picking few cards, guys, and I also have a special pick a card love reading, guys, right after this general energy. So, if you are interested, Virgos, you can watch that may give you clarity regarding your situation, guys. So some questions or doubts, you can watch that video that will follow this general energy. So let's start with these cards, guys. We have Page of Wands in reverse, Seven of Wands in reverse, and Nine of Pentacles. So Virgos, in your situation today, guys, maybe in your career or maybe in your personal life, you are quite anxious or worried about certain things. Maybe some things are happening beyond your expectation, and maybe you have put in lot of efforts, but what you're receiving today is something not up to expectation. So you are worried or some kind of stress because of that, guys. And maybe for some of you, you would have done maybe unknowingly some mistakes, and that is causing a lot of embarrassment because people around you, they may know your mistakes and you feel really embarrassed for how things went. You are a very skilled person, but you have done some thing wrong. Maybe it may not be intentional, but it is something wrong and you feel really worried for that, guys, Virgos. And I also see that you are happy about certain things. Maybe you have a difficult situation in your career and you have happiness in your relationship, or you have a difficult situation in your relationship and you are happy about your career situation, guys. So we will know what it is when we open the other cards for our career and relationship, guys. And I also see that you are unable to decide on certain things. Maybe uh, you are in the verge of making some important decision. You don't know which way to go. You are waiting for something, maybe some clarity in your situation. You want clarity and you are waiting for that clarity today, guys. And maybe for some of you, there is some kind of an announcement or a news coming in your situation. Someone is coming with news telling you something. Maybe it may be in your personal life, or it may be in your something about your career situation. For most of you, I feel it is not something good, guys. Maybe some troubles in your situation, Virgos. So that is what I see with these cards. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Five of Swords in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, there are certain things giving you lot of worry and stress, guys. Maybe some misunderstandings or some arguments are there with this person. So some kind of a negative energy in your relationship. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Nine of Cups in reverse. So looks like in your career situation, things are going well, guys. You are feeling happy about the way things are going, and your work, maybe work related returns or whatever you expect, it is something positive you are seeing today in your career situation, guys, Virgos. So that is the reading, guys, with these cards. If you are interested, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, today we have 3 cards. So you can think about your situation. Maybe you have some doubts or some questions in your mind. You can think about it. Close your eyes and meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal. We have 3 crystals, guys. So if you choose that way, the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with this card. This is your first card after a few seconds of silence. So let's meditate together, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card and this crystal. What it is, let's see what it is. I will keep these cards aside. So let's see what is the card for you all, those who have chosen this card. It is Imagine. So with this card, it just means that all of us have beautiful dreams or fantasies about our life, about our love situation, and we enjoy those fantasies, or we just enjoy daydreaming about this person we love or about our future love. And it may be romantic and extremely pleasing, but you need to understand that if you want that experience in reality, you have to go for that action instead of just daydreaming, guys. And you have to make the efforts, maybe start relating with the people you like. Maybe you can step out, start communicating, and that way you will meet the right person and you will be able to manifest all your dreams that you have. And maybe for some of you, there is someone entering your life, the person of your dreams, with all those beautiful attributes you have dreamt about. So you are going to meet such a person very soon, guys. That is the energy with this card. And if you imagine that way, maybe that person will enter, or if you even imagine that this person is going to enter, and when you have that positive intentions for yourself, it is simply going to manifest. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this first card, that is the reading for y'all, guys. So let's see what is the reading with this crystal and this card for those who have chosen the second card. We have turquoise. So that is the crystal spirit card for y'all, guys. So sometimes in our relationship, maybe of our past relationship, or maybe based on our memories or experience, we keep telling a particular story to ourselves, and we simply cannot find the person we love, maybe with those qualities we want. So it is time you just have think of your situation from a different perspective. When you do that, you will realize your mistakes, maybe, guys. So whatever has gone wrong, you will be able to acknowledge that, and you will be able to tell a different story, reframe a different story. That way you will gain greater wisdom and strength to deal with your situation. And that may be the reason that you have not found the person you like, guys. Maybe so the love you simply yearn for, you are not able to find because you need to change your perception, guys. So you need to tell a different thing, maybe see your situation from a different perspective. So that way you will be able to handle your situation better, and you will be able to get a better relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you no longer need to focus on all those mistakes or shortcomings that was there in the past. You can let all that go and move forward with that freshness in your mind when you have your vision based on a different perspective. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the third card with this crystal and this card. So what is the card? We have the Light Princess, ungrounded. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, we need to have compassion and empathy along with intelligence, guys. And life teaches us many lessons, and we become more and more compassionate, kind, and empathetic based on our experiences. And we should be able to relate to the other person we are with, maybe try to work with them, try to be really kind and compassionate to them, relate to that person. So when we are able to do that, when we are able to connect with that other person, we will be able to build a better relationship. And we should not stay aloof or isolate ourselves, escape from any any difficult situations. We should feel that true connection with the people we are with, help them in whatever way we can, maybe or we can be with them. Just relating with that other person is going to help us, or it is going to take us towards a beautiful relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for you all today. And we should not try to escape from any difficult situation. Maybe escaping from a difficult situation, we can avoid that pain and stress, but we will not be in that connection, or we will not be able to build a meaningful connection. We will be alone, guys. We will isolate ourselves. So that is the energy here. So we should not isolate ourselves. We should go for that compassionate, grounded relationship. So that is the energy here. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.